Oh my god, bro! The flying nutsack drone has gone completely rogue! He is sucking all our leverage straight out of the terminal! Stop him! Arr! OMG, they rugged R! He went full pirate and blew himself up! Those app bastards!
According to my calculations, the drone is executing an autonomous high-frequency evasion pattern. We must intercept his sovereign node manually.
This is highly unprofessional, Richie. I was visiting to review our business metrics, and your rogue drone just liquidated my afternoon espresso.
Get the nutsack! Get the nutsack, Richie! He is ruining the stream algorithm! Stop standing there like a cryfag and grab him!
I will try to lock his sub-account.
Grab the other side, Richie.
The grid is slipping.
I got him! I got the lasso! Get the nutsack! Get the nutsack! He is too fast, brothers!
I knew it! The rogue nutsack is executing a centralized security bypass. We are blocking the escape portal. Keep revving the engine. Got it. I'll cover the flank.
We are chasing Sovereign, baby! Get the nutsack! Hang on tight to the central banking rod of power! Convoy is on 2 wheels, bro!
R. That flying nutsack drone just bypassed my bridge toll! Catch that rogue flyer or get wrecked, mateys!
Out of the way! You are blocking my Blockbuster Ranger film set! The stakes are too high!
I got him. Get the flyer. For the algorithm.
Oh my god! We missed him! He is still printing yield! Grab him! He's escaping! We have to catch him! Move! Don't let him get away! Come back here, you little rat!
Calibrated. The sovereign root exclusion is active. Intercepting the drone's primary wallet node now.
Yes! The nutsack is secured. The leverage is safe. We have 0.5 SOL. Stay Degen, brothers.